Hi everyone, it's Michelle. I thought I'd come outside today and record day 3 of my vision board challenge. The topic is how to activate your board. So I figured it'd be a good idea to come outside to the farm that I've been talking about in the last few videos, to give you guys a little bit of feeling of the energy and things that is here, because it has a lot to do with the topic I'm talking about today, which is bringing that energy into your board, the same energy as what you want to manifest. Oh, I could see one of our little pigs back there. So again, in day 1, we talked about reflecting and releasing. And day 1 is about getting rid of any blocks in the way, any limited beliefs. And once you do that and you reflect and release, then it's time to plant those seeds. So day 1's about weeding the garden. Day 2 is about planting the seeds, thinking bigger than whatever your situation is now, right? With limitless possibilities. So you want to have no limits on what you want to manifest. And then after you plant your seeds, then you need to pay attention to those seeds, right? You have to water them. You have to give them sunlight. You have to pay attention to them. And that is what day 3 is all about, is activating your vision board. It's like watering and giving your seeds sunlight, okay? Giving them time and giving them your attention. So when I shared about my vision board, I brought it out here, but I don't know how it's going to work, me holding it up. Let me hold it up for a second. You can kind of see the house in the middle. So when we were looking for a house, we've been looking for, kid you not, about 5-6 years. When we were looking for a house, we didn't know what kind of house we were going to get. So it was getting really frustrating. I had many different versions of this vision board that you see now. So every year I would kind of recreate another one, when more visions would come as far as what I wanted. And then last year, my partner and I, Amy, we created this board together. And in the middle of the board, we left it blank. We left nothing in the middle because we wanted to put the house that we wanted to manifest there. And so we left it open, but we knew what kind of energy, what kind of feeling we wanted to feel when we were at this house that we were trying to manifest. So we created the kind of the border of the farm scene, and what kind of feelings we wanted to feel, what kind of animals we wanted to attract, what we wanted to have as far as like greenhouse. We want to have a chicken coop. We want to have a lot of kids on the farm, because our nonprofit is for foster kids. And so we created kind of the outside of it first, and then once we got into contract with the house that we really, really wanted, we got a picture of it and we put it in the middle. So that's just an idea for you to kind of get an idea of like the feeling you want to feel. So in order to activate it, after you've created your board, you're going to get into your vision board. So actually, like, put yourself inside those photos, put yourself inside those words that you have on your board. Feel those words, say those words to yourself, and activate that energy. So I would have my vision board up and I would do a meditation looking at my vision board. And I have a meditation for you that I use that is really powerful, and it's in the link provided. So I really highly recommend trying it, having your board there, doing a meditation with it, which the meditation will actually help you to feel those vibrations of what it is you want to manifest. So I would close my eyes and I would feel like I was on the farm, like I am now, and feeling the sun, seeing the animals in the background. There's horses in the way back, and just feeling what that would feel like. And I would just do that every day. And I kid you not, I was very, very frustrated for a long time not being able to find it, but I didn't give up, and I kept trying to manifest that feeling of what it feels like to be in my vision board. So I definitely highly recommend, please go down to the link below and get started. Get started on your vision board. I have resources there for you. If you do want the meditation, you also get 2 handouts with it. You get a PDF of all my tips and tricks that are talked throughout the videos, and then you get a planning sheet as well to help you plan and decide what it is you want to manifest. And then you also get a meditation that you can use over and over to help you attract and feel the vibes from your board. So highly recommend watching it. Please watch also the last 2 videos if you haven't, and share with me your vision board once you have it finished. Love to see it. Love to see what you're manifesting. And I hope you enjoyed this 3-day series. So we'll talk to you guys later. Happy vision boarding. Bye.